know when she go on so like a real, oh my god, she doesn't want type of one. But what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tata here. Um as y'all know and seen, it's been a while since I have like made a video about my girl official, and honestly I'm just here to say I miss you, and I still I miss you so much. It's been a while. I was like giving our relationship some time off to see what's going on. You were like thinking the way I was thinking, you wanted what I wanted, and it just means to know that we're like living in two different worlds, and that you haven't tried to reach out to me despite what I have done, from everything that I have done, all the way they have tried to be a part of your life and try to make you a part of my life. It's just that a guy can do so much more. I was here in my bed, as you can see, I was about to go to sleep, but I can't sleep. It is like, what time is it? Yo, it's 9:30 right now, and honestly, I can't sleep. You are the only person on my mind, and oh my word, pull up on Instagram because it's been so long I've seen your beautiful face, yo. It's like everything changed. Who that man? Yeah? My God, continue to bless this man, my general. Love a soul. Oh, so long not even go for your channel, Macro. I'm back, and this time I won't stop until I get your reaction, yo. I need an answer from you. It's either you're gonna accept me in your life, or you're going to reject me. Michael, you're either gonna accept me or you're gonna reject me, yo. I still have the ring. Everything, the love is still there, yo. It's like it's not gone nowhere. It's not gone. It's still there. It's here waiting for you to come and accept it, yo. Like, no fast, no family.
Amman International Airport.
Sure.
British Airlines counts and all this.
Yeah, travel.
What is it, girl?
Oh, you see, yeah, live life without me.
That is actually big for you. No.
Of course, you look good. Oh, Michael. For those of you who are very new and the first time you're seeing me do a video like this, guys, I have been falling for Macro forever since she go viral, yo. From she make them little simple Instagram videos about taking people man to all of them lovely songs there about taking people man and all sort of thing. until now when she a go on so like a real, oh my word, she doesn't know more and type of more. But I have cried for her. If you're new, this is just for you guys. I've cried. I've written poems for her. I've bought a ring. I've proposed to her, and she doesn't reply to me, yo. She doesn't reply to me. She's avoiding me. Mackerel is avoiding me, guys. I even one of my videos even got 100,000 views, guys. 100,000 views to show you that 100,000 people watched that video, and you guys are telling me that Mackerel is not one of those people. It pain, it hurts. It really does hurt, yo. It really does hurt, like Mackerel. Imagine one of the main reasons why I like backed off is because I saw you came out with this dude about boyfriend this, Mackerel boyfriend this, and keeping up with the Mackerelians this. I was like, okay, let me back off and see what's going on. But yo, I don't know if you guys are seeing it in my face, but I'm actually serious now. Yo. I can't sleep tonight. Honestly, I can't sleep tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. I don't know what to do tonight. What the hell can I do tonight? What can I do? Honestly. She does hurt me, and it's still, you know this thing? There's still a talk about people man nice and comfortable and a bag of bullshit. Like, people man nice and comfortable. Stop talk about people man that I want to think I'm warning about for all. For the first period of summer, I said, my girl, that summer now. And this and that, now you take no other. I think the summer from Easter time when you talk about Easter bun and them something here. I tell you, a long one, people man argue, but you still a talk about people man nice and comfortable and what do you think it make me feel? You don't even care about my feelings, yo. My girl, I just miss to say that I miss you, my girl. Honestly, I do miss you, bro. And I know you miss me too. So I'm back, okay? And I'm not gonna stop this time until I get your reaction. Just don't come back out with no more boyfriend story. And like on Canada, I wanna go to Canada too, yo. We should be traveling together. Like, why y'all leave on me out of all these plans you have, these wonderful plans you're making, these wonderful trips you're taking? Like, I should be there by your side, comforting you, smiling with you, videoing, with you snapping, kissing, making love, all that good stuff. Like, I miss you, my girl. And I miss you too. And I'm back, and I'm not leaving. Sure, I'm not leaving. I'm working with something very weird for the rest of this day, my girl. Watch me.